Okay, so in this question, we are told that we have a wheelchair ramp that has a length of 585 inches. So it's a ramp, so it's gonna go up from the ground to the stairs, and then the horizontal distance of this ramp is 580, and so we have to figure out, the vertical distance of this ramp. So meaning, how high does it reach vertically? All right, and so we are assuming that the horizontal distance and the vertical distance form a 90-degree angle, and therefore we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find. And because the side length of this triangle, 585, that's the one that's across from a 90-degree angle, so that's my C, that's my hypotenuse. I'm going to place it by itself on one side, and then 580 squared plus the unknown distance are going to be on the other side of the equation. All right, so now I'm going to solve for x. So 580 squared gives us this. And then 585 squared gives us this. All right, so now I'm going to subtract from both sides. Okay. So then my x squared is going to be 5,825. Then lastly, I'm going to take a square root of both sides. All right, so this problem specifically says that we want to round to the nearest tenth. And so when I take the square root, I get 76.32167, and so on. But the nearest tenth means I have to stop here. And this number, because it's less than 5, we don't have to round up. So it's just going to be 76.3. That's the vertical distance of the ramp. Now, the next question says that the laws are specific about the ratio of the vertical rise to the horizontal run. And so that ratio should be 1 to 12, for the vertical to the horizontal. Our vertical distance is 76.3. The horizontal distance is 580. We just have to check, are these two ratios the same? So 76.3 divided by 580, it's about 0.13. 1 divided by 12, however, is 0.08. So that means our vertical rise with respect to the horizontal run, that ratio is too high. So our ramp is too steep, so it does not meet the specifications. So in order for the answer to be yes, our ratio also needs to be 0.083333, but it isn't. Therefore, here we had our answer was 76.3. Here we said no.